Hi, welcome to Math Sharp Kids. I'm Candace, and we're still working with our subtraction game, Minus Sharp to the Lost City of Atlantis. And the next cards that we're going to use, I'm going to move this now, on our purple board, our bicycles. Okay, now, as we learned in the addition game, it's 2 steps with the bicycles because an 8 has 2 circles, a bicycle has 2 circles, it's 2 steps. Now, let's look at our little ladder and, okay. The easiest way to do this is to think of our 9s facts. Remember, one thing built upon another. So, if this was a 9 instead of an 8, and we saw the 2 of 12, we would go up to 3. But we know it's an 8, so we've got to go up 1 more, so that would be 4. So we're going to put this on the 4. And just to make sure you see how we're doing it, it is 4. It's correct. We don't want our players to do that because we want to put all of them down. Now, the same thing with this. If this was a 9, and this was 14 take away 9, we'd go 1 up from the 4, which would be 5. But it is an 8, so we'd go 1 more, which makes it 6. So 14 take away 8 is 6. Now, on 16 take away 8, if it was a 9 and we went up from the 6, it would be 7. But because it's an 8, we're going to go 1 more, so it's 8. So our answer is 8. Put that over here. With this one, it is 15 take away 8. We're going to go 1 up from 5, which is 6. That would be if this was a 9, but we're going to go 1 more, 7. So that's a 7. Now, 13 take away 8 is going to be, if this was a 9, it would be 1 up from 3, would be 4, but we're going to go 1 more, 5. So 13 take away 8 is 5. And the last one, 11 take away 8, we go 1 up from the 1. Like this was a 9, it would be 2. But we need to go 1 more, 3. So 11 take away 8 is 3. Now, and they're all right. So that's how we do the bicycles. Now, once they get going, we want them to go to the Lost City of Atlantis. We're going to get our bicycle. Here we go. There's the bicycle. And of course, the scorecard, we've got the bicycles and we put down the date and the time. I've already done this. I was working with my grandson, so we had an idea how this worked. So we put down our date and our time until we finally get to where they can do it in 7 minutes and 40 seconds. They may do it faster than that, but that's a starting point. So every time we get a score with the timing and we move the marker along until we finally get to the finish. So there's that. And that's how you do the bicycle cards.